Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today we'd like to speak about what's happening with the Bitcoin price and why right now is starting a big week where we're gonna have incredible volatility. And guys, as you can clearly see right now, the chart of the Bitcoin in the daily time frame, we are still moving inside of this fall wedge pattern exactly as I had told you in the last 2-3 days. I told you that we're gonna move inside of this fall wedge pattern until the volatility comes in from the inflation rate and also from the FOMC meeting. FOMC meeting is in 2 days from now and the inflation rate is actually tomorrow. So right now I'm gonna tell you in this video what's going on and actually what's gonna happen if we're gonna see the good news and what's gonna happen if we're gonna see the bad news, because right now these two events gonna determine the next price of the Bitcoin. If we're gonna actually break this fall wedge pattern or if we're gonna get and break the support of this fall wedge pattern. So we're gonna get downside and also obviously we're gonna break this red line. So guys, let's start with the inflation rate, which is tomorrow, and you can clearly see that we saw big drop from February to March. We saw from 6% down to 5. This was pretty bullish, okay, but in April we saw only from 5 to 4.9. We can see the forecast right now, it says 4.3. This could be bullish if it's gonna happen. Okay, consensus it says 4.1. If we're gonna see something from the forecast to consensus, this could be bullish for the imminent short term for the Bitcoin price. Okay, also if we're gonna see furthermore very close the inflation rate to this 4, if we're gonna see the rate very close to this 4.9 or an increasement 5.1 and etc., this could be catastrophic instantly. Okay, but I believe obviously that we're gonna see something lower, like 4.4, 4.3, somewhere very close to the forecast. But the most important part right now is not actually the inflation rate, which according to my opinion, I believe it's gonna drop, is the FOMC meeting, because right now we are looking, guys, a stop to those rates, because in the previous FOMC meeting we saw 25 basis point an increasement, and finally we need to see a stop on the rates, which as you can clearly see right now is 71% probabilities to see a stop on the rates, and that could be bullish. Okay, if we're gonna see the inflation rate at 4.3, 4.2, 4.4, and also if we're going to see in the FOMC meeting a stop on the rates, this could be incredible bullish for the Bitcoin, and I believe that this could explode the price over $30,000. Okay, so the last couple hours, as you can understand, is very crucial, but obviously there is, as you can clearly see, the probability to see the 30% scenario playing out, and if this scenario will play out, then guys, we're gonna speak for a catastrophic scenario. Obviously we're gonna see a big downside, a big downfall of the Bitcoin price. We're gonna obviously break this $25,200, and I believe that if this scenario is gonna play out, we're gonna get down to close this CME gap that we have left open since the big rally that we experienced when the first three banks collapsed and Bitcoin showed some adoption. And I'm gonna right now show you the CME gap that we have left open. You can clearly see here at $20,500 is still open. And guys, if the scenario which I described you before with the 30% in the FOMC meeting happen, then we're gonna get to close that $20,000 area. But according to my opinion, guys, even if we're gonna see the catastrophic scenario, I believe the bottom is in for Bitcoin. We will never ever reach under $15,000. The reason of that is very simply, I have explained that hundreds of times. All this current situation that's happening for the Bitcoin price for me is adoption. Even when the SEC called the the altcoins as securities. Bitcoin holding over $25,000 price, and also guys, as you see, did a low switch to two big exchanges that we have right now, Coinbase and Binance, and we are still over $25,000. And before a couple hours actually we were above $26,000. We were playing out $26,250 area with a fluctuation in the price, which is pretty big. Okay, and before I close the video, I would like to show you the daily moving average. We are still above that, and also in the weekly moving average, unfortunately we closed this massive weekly candle under this weekly moving average, which is bearish from the technical side. Okay, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I will update you tomorrow with fresh updates, because as I told you, my focus right now is on these two events. Okay, I don't actually rely so much on the technical side. And do not forget to check my Patreon. Here you're gonna find the buy and sell signals, the strategy which I follow on the bear market, which I make gains even on the bear market, Telegram VIP community where multimillionaires included, and all together we are analyzing things related with crypto. Highly recommended, and I will see y'all guys in my next video. I'll deal, and your boy Chris out. Bye.